The best speakers in the world make it look so easy. But what they don't tell you is that they spend hours, sometimes months, working on their delivery. And to be the best, you need to understand the science of the voice. How many voices do we have? 3. First, there's the chest voice. This is a voice that is strong and resonant, using a large volume of air from the diaphragm and lungs. It conveys authority and commands attention. It's the voice to use for talking to a large audience. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests. Then there's the middle voice. This is our everyday voice, produced in the throat using less air. Leaders use this voice in boardrooms. They don't need to project to a large audience. Let's begin by discussing the financial forecasts for the next quarter. Finally, there's the head voice. It's the sound we make when we're excited or emotional.
This is completely unacceptable!
The head voice should generally be avoided in the workplace. To find out which voice you use most often, record yourself on your phone. Play it back. How does it sound? The more familiar you become with your own voice, the better you'll know how to work with it, and it will increase your confidence. In my course, Projecting Leadership, you'll learn how to transform your voice and presence with gravitas. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life.
To transform your voice and presence, click the link in the description. Let's get started.
Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.